these are our team members here. We are from BC Academy, and we in different courses such as construction design, ME, and construction IT. And this is our BIM project team structure, and each of us are in charge of different parts of this project. Next, my teammates Yi will continue the presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yi. I'd like to introduce the architectural parts. Before the competition started, we go to a site visit. This is the photos we taken from the site. You can see the site is the red one and the main MND building, which the entry from facing the Maxwell Road and the Red Dot Museum, and the Builtron Annex A and B are back of the main MND building, and also some shop houses at the back of the site. Alright, so after that we think our design concept is to add to the variance of commercial zone within the city, as well as blend with the surrounding high-rise buildings. Alright, this is our method modeling, which one we're using the Revit Architecture 2012 to finish that. You can see the method model to the final model. From the final model, we can see the retail shopping is from the 1 to 7 levels, and the 2 tower blocks consist as the office area, which linking at least sky bridges to link with the two tower blocks. Alright, this is our simulation analysis. In order to the some parts and some direction, we use the EcoText software to research the some direction, which you can see now is the some direction of our building is in March 11th on 12 p.m. noon, and we also use the software to research the shadow cast on building due to the solar radiation. Alright, we're thinking after simulation analysis, we're doing the green features for the building. So we decide to use the solar panel on the top of the building, which on the roofs we use the solar panels, and using the low E glass curtain wall and the vertical green wall, and we use the outdoor dining area to reduce the air conditioning using ratio, and we also use the skyrise garden. Thank you. I'll pass to the next part to my teammate.
Okay, let's move on to the sectional elevation. We can see the basement part is our car park, and the 5 stories above, we make a mistake there. Actually, it's 5 stories. 5 stories above is the shopping center, and above the shopping center, the 6th and 7th level is our food court, and the food court is open areas. And above the shopping center is our skyrise greenery roof garden, and the 2 big blocks is our tower office blocks, and the one is 20 stories high, and the other one is 22nd story height. In actual design, we put 2 sky bridge to connect these 2 office buildings to make it easy to pass the way. Okay. Then during the project, my 2 teammates and I are in charge of the structures, and you can see. You can see the design process of these structures, and in different areas. For example, the shopping center, the food court, the car park. We use different size of columns and the rebar. Different size column being left to take the loading from different areas. And for the sky bridge, we put of the building. Next is about the ME part.
Good afternoon, I'm April. I'll explain more about solar and heat load analysis. First of all, we input the Revit model to the encoded software to make an analysis on some part. After that, using the daily and annual sum part, we make a research on the solar heat load analysis. From that, we found out that how the solar heat radiation onto our building and how the shadow cascade projected from our model. From this PowerPoint slide, you will see that we provide two different figures with different sound location. The right bottom focuses on the heat transmission from the sun to our building, and the top left focuses on the shadow casting due to the sound location. We have also done some wind tunnel analysis. In order to make a research on this wind tunnel analysis, we use the Versary 3D software. With this analysis, we are able to find out how the wind flows through the direction, through the building from different directions, and also we are able to find out that how does it affect to the surrounding area. Here are some pictures we have taken during our computation period. From our analysis, we are able to find out that our building orientation offer a good wind buffer to the surrounding area, and it can also block the strong wind direction. For now, I will go more about on the MEP part because we have done some plumbing and sanitary. We try our best. As you can see here, we provide three different perspectives: plan, elevation, and the 3D model. The plan view over there is how we install the sanitary system in the level 1 toilet. And for the water supply and piping system, I hope you will be easy to see through from the elevation and the 3D model. Now I would like to pass my presentation to my teammate, Builtron.
My name is Builtron. Now I'm going to present the exterior perspective. This is the final rendering of our building. As you can see, some design on the facades of our building, which is inspired by the bamboo leaf. We believe bamboo represent the strength and stability, while the leaf are evergreen. So we want this building to be strong and everlasting. This is the interior perspective of food court and office. For the food court design is based on the green color things. Use the green color chair and transparent table to blend with interior decorations of the food. Hanging the plant on the ceiling for offer the nature feeling for diners to dine while enjoying their meal in garden and greenery setting. Office design is based on the red color things and white color things. Use chair, table, and reception counter to blend with the interior decorations of the office color combination. This is our created to the floor area calculation. The band based on our modeling, which is total 1,065 meters, 1,000 meters square, 165,000 meters square. So you can see it meets the requirement of floor ratio greater than 2. And for the carpet, it can cover 200 carpet load plus 1 basement carpet. Now my partner will continue our presentation.
Bring it to our conclusion. All of us agree that being in this kind of competition is really tough and very challenging because from that some of us try for the second time, but some of them are really a fresh comer. So we have to arrange everything from the scratch until we submit all our work within the time limit. We only have to 48 hours. We have to finish all those parts. We did struggle a lot. Even though we cannot finish, we cannot excuse. We have to make it everything by working. We have to make it everything within the time limit. We did struggle, but in the end, we can make it. We can handle the barriers, and we can handle it by working as a team. May I have all my team members here, please? We would like to thank all the judges here and guests here for your time taken for our PowerPoint slide presentation. Thank you very much.